Hi, welcome to Pro-Am Chicago. My name is Toby Itano. I'm the Vice President of Operations for this location. I'm going to take you on a tour of our warehouse. Let's go take a look. This is our shop area. This is where we do some light manufacturing as well as repairs on our structures and our metal parts. Welcome to our laundry area. This is where we make sure that all of our vinyl is clean and ready for that next order to come. We're very fortunate to have this much space to be able to hang large vinyl. This is our vinyl storage area. After it comes back from the laundry department, we want to make sure that it's sorted and ready for our next customer order. As you can see, we have a wide variety of shapes, colors, and sizes. This is our fan and lighting area. This is where we store different types of lights, including LED lights, chandeliers, as well as emergency exit lights. In 2022, we moved from our Niles location, which was a smaller location, to this much larger facility, 65,000 square feet inside the building, as well as 200,000 square feet lot that we have outside. One of the advantages of this larger building is the fact that we have this great lot out here. We can store materials as well as load and unload. Unlike our sister facilities in Phoenix, LA, and Orlando, here in Chicago we have to worry about making sure that we're heating our tents. Behind me you can see that we have our heating units all stored and ready for the winter season. In this area we have our tent frames for our pole as well as our structure tents. What you will find here are all the parts to build a tent, including rafters, legs, purlins, bracings, and ballasts. This is our floor covering area. This is where we maintain some different options for you, whether it's carpet or turf, hardwood floors, parquet floors, white floors, as well as platforms.
Thanks for visiting our Chicago office. Our doors are always open.